out of paper. I'm using Origami Sheet. If you want, you can use A4 sheets or a normal paper. So let's start making. So first we have to make a mountain. Make the mountain's corner sharp. Now cut this part. So now you get a square shape. Now make a cross. Just make triangles at both sides. After that, you get a cross. Then just push these both corners to the middle. Then you get an triangle again, but the triangle has 4 corners, just like this. Now you have to fold this part like this, and the same thing to the other side, and the same thing to the back side. Now just fold the corners like this. Then you could see a hole over here. Just push this part inside the hole. Done. Then the other side, the same thing. The same thing to the other side. Now the same thing to the back side also. The same thing to the other side. Now you can see a hole over here. Just blow the hole and the ball is ready.